Hello learners, my name is Masna Rasti from Kurt Verbun. I'll be a tutor for this course and I will be covering level 4 grammar. It's not hard, but it's better for you to have a little bit information about the basic grammar before like other tenses and the basic grammar actually, because it's a little bit complicated, not so much. Here our first lesson is a past perfect progressive. What's past perfect progressive? Here's the introduction that you can read, and I'm going to teach you. In grammar, we use past perfect progressive, or you can call it continuous tense, to state the action that started in the past and continued up until some time in the past until happening the next or the other action that became the cause to stop the first action, which is the past perfect progressive. If it's not clear, look at the timeline. Here, the green sign is the first action which started in the past and continued up until some time in the past, and then it stopped by the second action, which is the blue cross here. It's as you can see here, it's not continued up until the present time. So that's it. And you can read the instructions above. And here we have the formula, which we also have to have a subject as subject plus had or had not its negative form. And this is always like that. We have to have had because it's past. It's the past form of has. Plus been, which is the past participle that indicates that this tense is perfect. Plus verb ing, in which it shows the continuous action. Verb ing. Here are some examples to be more clear for you. First one, I had been living in Kurdistan for 2 years. Here we have 2 years. So it shows the duration of time that someone had been living in Kurdistan for 2 years and then she or he left this place. Maybe he's living in another place or in another country. And the second one, before preparing these lessons for my learners, I have been searching for more reliable information about the topics. At first, I had been searching for more reliable information about the topics. That was the first action that I did, okay? I had been searching for more reliable information in the duration of time. And then I started preparing the lessons for my learners. So at that point, I stopped searching and I started preparing. Well, and the third one, you can put it in a question form here. How long, here's the mistakes. How long had you been playing tennis? So here's the question form, you can answer it and that will be showing the duration of time. You can say I have been playing tennis for 2 hours or for the whole day. And the fourth one is the employees feel tired because they had been working on a project for a long time. They had been working for a project on a project for a long time and then they got tired. So getting tired or feeling tired is the cause for them to stop working. So this action is interrupted or stopped and ended by the other action in the past. And also here we have some exercises you can get benefit of it. So here you can fill the blank. We watch blank TV when the electricity went off. There should be some continuous action, and the second clause that we have is past. And then the other clause that we have should be also past. So we have been watching TV because it takes a long time when you watch TV. We had been watching TV when the electricity went off. You can say that. She studied blank at that school for 5 years, which shows the duration of time before leaving the country. She had been studying at that school for 5 years. She is no longer studying there. She left the country maybe. Now she's living in another country. So here the action interrupted and stopped, and the second action started, which is living in the another country. And the third one, and the last but not least, before I saw the car accident, I drive blank back home. Before I saw the car accident, I had been driving. Driving takes a long time or longer time than seeing the action. So driving the car should be in progressive tense, which is the past progressive tense. Here the lesson ended, and for any question you can ask, then I'll put my email on the other courses. Thank you.